Assalamu alaikum loves. Hope your Ramadan is going well and it's full of blessings, inshallah. Today we'll be making a quinoa vegetable soup. Start by chopping all of your vegetables. You can add whatever vegetables that you like into your soup. I used carrots, celery, sweet potatoes, zucchini, squash, and some bell peppers. Add the chopped vegetables into your Dutch oven or a pot as you chop them. First, add the vegetables that take longer to cook. This soup is very hearty, yet very light on the stomach. It's a nice meal to have before Tarawih. Don't forget to add some salt and pepper to taste. Once you have all of your vegetables in the pot, stir often until the onions have softened and become translucent, which is about 6 to 8 minutes. Then add about 3 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, half a teaspoon of dried thyme, and 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Cook until fragrant while stirring frequently for about 1 minute, then pour in the drained diced tomatoes and cook for a few more minutes. Then pour in 1 cup of quinoa, 4 cups of vegetable broth, and 1 cup of water. Stir some more to mix everything in and add some bay leaves. Raise the heat and bring the mixture to a boil, then cover the pot and reduce heat to maintain a gentle simmer. Cook for about 25 minutes, then add 1 cup of Great Northern beans and the chopped kale. You can use collard greens or any other greens that you want. Then continue simmering for 5 minutes or so. Then add about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and remove pot from heat. Hope you guys enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to Saida's channel as well as mine for more Ramadan recipes. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.